Today we're going to be part of the big health event here with Ochsner, where we have all of our wonderful STEM NOLA activities.
Our community needs to know that health is science and science is health. Today we're trying to expose kids to different things in the health industry and also their health. So our star attraction is our drone cage. We've got a 20 by 30 drone cage. Kids get to fly drones, right? They're now delivering medicine and medical apparatus via drones. We have a robot. Many of the surgeries that take place now are robotic. We have a 3D printer printing hearts to show kids that in the health industry, science and technology is at the intersectionality of it all.
You want to drop it in here for me. And if you can do that, you get one of these.
Okay. Got it. Yep, perfect.
And I want you to put it along the side.
Side flat.
What we're trying to do is bring that wow factor. We believe hands-on means minds-on. That's why at STEM NOLA, everything we do is hands-on. So we get the kids engaged about their health and engaged about their education, and that's why they're more likely to pursue it.
You put it on your heart and then you listen.
And you can just keep looking around.
Awareness and exposure are the foundation for a beautiful life. So if we can get kids inspired about their health and science at the same time, then they can make the connection to their health, but also career pathways, and hopefully enlighten them, motivate them to do better in school.
Oh, there you go.